He's right here. Oh, no, why is he that close? Why are you feeding it? So that brings our total profit for the day to What is up, YouTube? It's Fancy here. My name is Jacob Estes. You guys can find me on Instagram there. I think Smarty would tag it in the comments or something like that. But yeah, if you guys want to see any of my daily, you know, posts and stuff like that, it will be over on my private Instagram for now. We had a great commercial day. The action was non-stop. Fish coming in the boat the whole time, and then something exciting at the end of the video. I'll check back in and I will basically go over a recap of what we made that day and sort of how I make my money fishing. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, please drop a like. The page is growing. I think we're at 400 subscribes now, a little bit over, but yeah, keep it going, guys. Let's do it. See, the oceans right here are nice and slick. Getting some fish in the chum. Oh, whoa, dude! It's fucking whales, bro! It's whales, dude! Yeah, we're out on the banks today. We got Jordan with us. You've seen him before. We got Brucey, as you know. And this is what we got so far. We probably got about 80 pounds of fish. It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, whales all around the boat?
Yeah, we got whales all around the boat. So I'm going to start recording for you guys. Oh, fuck! No way! Just came into a nice lot of fish. Oh my dude. Let's go. Look at that little bibbler up the top. Little cute little turbot. We got a barber. We got a hind. We got a oh, I'm getting struck. I'm getting struck. Ew. Let's go. Also, let me know in the comments if you're trying to get a full-time fishing stock, because Brucey was late to work today and we don't really go by those standards. So if anybody's trying to apply for the job, just let me know. Oh my dear, look at this. Croaker coney. Yes, sir. Hey, I made a mistake and threw a fish back.
Passing to you, Jordan. There you go. Hey,
get him, buddy.
There you go.
Yeah. Yes. Let's go. We dropped the fish over, so I made sure we went to go pick it back up. I didn't want him to just die. Listen to how nice the boat sounds, though. Pretty sure these whales are gonna show up again. Where are they at? You got a fish on?
Huh?
Give me your best whale call. We got Finding Nemo characters on the boat, apparently. Yes, look at them. They're right by the boat. You guys see the white in the water? That's their fins. Come up again. Where's he? Get the off in. Look at them. Jeez. That's so sick, bro. They're so close. Big humpbacks. What the heck? I got a fish on my line too. Yo, that's sick. They're lit, bro. Oh my god, they're coming closer.
See, if I had a mask right now, I'd know.
With the GoPro, that'd be sick footage. Let's go. We got a hind on. Oh my, bro, these things are scaring me. Why are they so close? Let's go. See what these whales. Oh, look at him. He's right here. Oh no, why is he that close? Why is he that close?
Like that.
Oh no, bro. If that thing breaches right now, there's trouble. Brucey caught 2 goatfish. He's got a little live well going. We're fresh in the water. They're so pretty. Look at them. Let me see. Hold him up next to you. Hold him up next to you.
I'm not doing no.
No, hold him up next to you.
I'm not falling for it again.
Hold it up next to you. You guys look kind of similar. Oh, we got 2? Let's go. Ew. Ew. Fire. Let's go.
Holy shiza.
Yeah. Back-to-back drops. Yeah. Let's go. Look at this thing. He's about 6-7 pounds. He's fat all the way through. You guys have seen the videos of us catch, clean, cook these strawberry groupers, red hinds. Catch them here out on the bank as well. It's a nice one. Time to dump these buckets in. Yeah. Damn.
Look at that.
That hole looks vicious.
Don't worry, the goatfish are okay.
Anybody want a little chicken wing?
Was it from Paris?
Yeah. Shout out Terrace. Best bar and restaurant in Bermuda. Dougie, you better give me a little promotion for this shout out, you know what I'm saying? 50-cent wings on Wednesdays, baby. $7 pints, let's go. Stroke that thing, cuzzo. Oh, fuck.
See, you like to talk shit.
Look at this guy,
But
look
when
at
it
this
happens,
guy,
you have to stroke that thing.
Jay. That's what we like to see, baby.
I got a big bobber in my fish.
Do you actually?
Yeah.
What's in his mouth?
Typical bobber.
Oh, he's alive. No way, that just came out of his mouth. That's sick. Why are you feeding it? Chee! What a drop. We got 4 there. I got a hind here. Brucey got a hind. Screen's looking good. Let's go. Shit's filling up. This is bucket number, I think, 5 or 6. Started up on this one now. Yee! Brucey's got a nice one on and headed off. Jordan's got something nice on his rig. This is fire fishing right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is fire. Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Tangle, that's right.
Okay, what?
That's all right.
This is just Jordan's rig?
No, that's mine too. Mine's in.
No, yours is not in them. Wait, okay, we gotta take our time.
Great.
Unhook that one, keep it tight. We had a little tangle. We cut it midway. This is what I had on mine. 6-7 pound hind. Look at Jordan's drop. 2 5-6 pounders. This is insane fishing, ladies and gentlemen. This is crazy. Yee! And there's another one. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, this is how we do it out here in Bermuda. Fancy Fisherman. Gotta keep it up. That was a madness. The fish have been ripping. And here goes bucket number 5. Got bucket number 6 here. This is insane. And then plus we got 2 hinds over on the ground. Jordan just caught a little bonus.
Right here.
Oh my. Woo! Oh, he's not down for it. Yo, let's fucking go! Yay! That's fire, Brucey. That's fire.
That's a 14 pounder.
That's a bonus, my boy.
That's a bucket.
On a hot Thursday afternoon. We're literally the only boat out here. It's so weird. I'm not sure why anybody else is fishing, but number 7. Ooh. Guys, this one more time. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, good luck with that. They kind of look like yellow.
Probably about 20 pound, 22 pound. Indie Yo, let's go.
You stole my fish, Jake.
Bro, your hook was in him. I'm not even joking. I don't know if it came out. No, it's in him.
Man.
I think you just lost. Oh my gosh, what a croaker. He didn't get the fight. It happened all soon. But Brucey just lost some huge fish on his rig. Broke the hook off, and look where it is. And look at mine. Yee! You're welcome for getting your hook back, but that's a nice one. It's almost a 10 pounder. Let's go. Yee! Coming up.
Beach again.
This is drinking these?
Shark.
What is it?
Shark.
No way. I can't tell.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it is. We got a shark. Shit. We're gonna have to cut that rig. It's a baby tiger. Baby tiger shark. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at him. Shit, we gotta get that hook out of his tail.
Yeah, give me a knife.
Yeah, be careful.
Cut the hook?
Nah, cut the rig, cut the rig, cut the rig. It's hooked in his tail.
Hold on. Hey.
Oh, he's making off.
Calm down.
We're trying to help you out, buddy. Oh my god, that's so dangerous. There we go, he's gone. Woo! Nice release. We thought it was gonna be a big bonito or an amber, but it was a baby tiger shark. You guys got to see. The hook actually, the hook popped out of him, so he will be good to go. Number 9. Woo! Those are some nice lines. He's up to the top, baby. That's all fish in there. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we are checking back in. It was a long day. We cleaned most of the fish on the way in, and we usually do that with the whole fish. We gut them on the way in because it just saves us time at the dock after we have a long day like that. And then the next day we'll fillet all the small fish that we're gonna sell and then go from there. Our revenue for the day, for that day that you saw, was $2,225, and obviously this is in the US. Over 300 pounds of fish. We sold some whole, we sold some as filet, and that all equated to $2,225. Our expenses for the day, so this is gonna include fuel, this is gonna include boxes of squid we have to buy. I always take a little bit out just for gear, because bottom fishing, you're losing a lot of gear and weights. So the expenses for the day were $250, which is not bad. So that brings our total profit for the day to $1,975. So that's a profit total. How I do it, a lot of people do this different ways, is I give the boat 15%. The boat makes $296, so that's gonna cover if anything comes up in the future, oil changes, all that. The boat always has to get paid. Remember, if you're starting up fishing, always pay your boat. What we get from the rest of that is a three-way split between me and my mates. I take very good care of my mates, so we get a three-way split. So with my calculations here, about $550 each for that one day of work, which is pretty good. That's a pretty good day. You do that 3 or 4 times a week, and you know, it adds up over time. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A lot of you viewing haven't subscribed yet, almost 70%. Please just hit the subscribe button, and it really helps the page grow. Thank you guys. Have a good day.